Jordan for blogsdna.com, and today we're here to review the iPazzport Bluetooth keyboard and touchpad. So basically what this is, as you can see, it's closely resembles maybe an old BlackBerry keyboard or an old cell phone, and it's a mini Bluetooth keyboard that's going to be compatible with Macs, PCs, Linux, PS3, Xbox 360, Wii, and of course iPhone and iPad. So for anyone that's looking for that type of functionality to be able to use a physical QWERTY keyboard with any of those devices, here's one pretty good option. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on here. As you can see, it's got a backlit keyboard. This was actually sent to us from the EFO gadget shop. It retails there for $65. And you can see here I have my iPhone 4 in the background. And I'm already in the settings app under general and Bluetooth, and I can see the Bluetooth iPazzport here connected. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that's connected. So now we're connected to the iPhone 4. I'm going to go switch over to the Notes app real quick, so I can give you a demo of this thing actually typing on the iPhone. So let's pull up a new note, and here we go. And it's typing smoothly. So there's limited functionality when it comes to using this device with your iPhone or iPad. Of course, pretty much all it's going to be able to do for you is typing. It can also pause, play, and control volume in the iPod app. But when it comes to the actual touchpad, the multi-touch surface here, there's not any functionality for iOS devices from what I can see. When you're using this device with your Mac or your PC, you can actually scroll web pages using the multi-touch touchpad here and do other swipe gestures. But for your iPhone and your iPod, it's pretty much just the iPod controls and the QWERTY keyboard, as you can see here. When you have the device connected to your Mac or your PC, these two buttons here will actually act as left and right click, and the touchpad itself will support, you'll be able to control your mouse just like you would with your laptop's trackpad, on top of doing swipe gestures with 2 and 3 fingers when it's supported. The device charges with the included USB cord that you can see here. Okay, I now have the iPazzport Bluetooth keyboard paired with my iMac here running 10.6.6. It is compatible with all Windows and Mac OS X machines, and I'll just give you a quick demo of how it runs using the touchpad on my Mac here. So as you can see, I'm just going to control my mouse using the touchpad just like you would with any laptop touchpad, or trackpad I should say. I'm going to go ahead and open Word here. On top of this being your right or your left click, sorry, and right click, you can also tap the whole touchpad once for your left click. And as you can see, we have Word open here, and we can easily use the QWERTY keyboard. And that's that. It works in all applications, and it seems to work just exactly how you'd think it would. Okay, let's close Word here real quick and open up Chrome so I can give you a little demo of how the touchpad works when you're scrolling web pages. I'll type the URL in here using the keyboard. Oops, what am I doing? Okay, here we go. As you can see, 2 fingers, just like any MacBook Pro or any other Apple keyboard or trackpad, sorry, can scroll the web page. And that's that. That's our review of the iPazzport Bluetooth keyboard and touchpad. You can check out more video reviews at blogsdna.com. Thanks.